This is a review of the Ryobi 18 volts circular saw that I would highly recommend. So this saw is very good for those people that do a lot of restoration or construction work. And you can see here that also one of the huge pluses is that it also comes with a Allen head key provided as well too. And what I love about it is that it has it has the features to cut in circular motion. And if you're doing any restoration projects or any home DIYs, then this is probably would definitely it will come into play and will definitely be very useful. I also love the fact that the handlebar, when you hold it, it gives you a little bit of a adjustment and it doesn't feel awkward or weird when you're holding it. It feels very lightweight and it feels very smooth. And the quality of this Ryobi circular saw is really amazing too. I love the quality it has, and the strength and the performance of the circular saw is also amazing too. I would highly recommend the Ryobi 18 volt circular saw if you're looking for a replacement set or a new improvised circular saw. Then this is probably one of the best saws you could get from Ryobi.